Hey English learners, welcome to another edition of Learning Simplified Pro, and it's good to see you back again. Well, the word of the day is adherent, and this is how you pronounce it. Adherent, adherent, adherent. And so the meaning of the word would be someone who supports a particular party, person, or set of ideas. And so the first sentence on the list is, it makes me an adherent to a code of conduct laid down by the community. And now the second sentence is, she has always been an adherent of the People's Party. So I hope you did like my presentation, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Learning Simplified Pro. Till then, do take care of yourself and enjoy your life.